Hey everybody, Golden Ninja 3000 here again, and today I have a store hunt video, and I didn't know that I was going to go to Target, so that's why I didn't announce it, but I'm going to look for some Lego Minifigures, Series 11, or some NEX ones, so let's head to the toy section. Okay, so let's find the toy section.
No.
Toys should be around here. There's the electronics. Sorry it's so shaky. Okay. Going to go down here. And I think that it's this way. Sorry about that, I'm still really sick. So, yep, here are the toys. So here are the Legos. These are like clocks and minifigure stands. Sorry, display cases. So over here we have Ninjago sets. I really want to get one of them. Don't think my mom will let me though. And there are Marvel superheroes. Lord of the Rings down there. More Lord of the Rings and Hobbit stuff. Then there's Galaxy Squad. And there's Chima. There are lots and lots of Chima sets. There are the new Speedors with Skinnet, Razor and Eris. The Gorzan. So, and then there are the small $13 sets. Then there's the display with Krager's command ship. I hope I get that set for Christmas. There's the ship and the Lion Chi Temple. Hope that I get one of them for Christmas. And then we got Star Wars over here and a display case. And there's city stuff over here. So I don't know where the minifigures would be. Oh, there they are. So, Series 11. That's good. Lots of packets. So I'm going to get like 4 today. So I'm going to feel them. I'm not going to do it in the video, but I'll feel them. And I wanted to take a look at the NEX stuff. I think that's over here. There's also some Lego Friends stuff over here. Lots and lots of it. So, here's the NEX stuff. There's Series 2 packets. And let me see if there's Series 1 packets. I think it's only Series 2. Yeah, looks to only be Series 2. And then there's these things, NEX things. Gonna get one of these for my friend. Maybe not today. And they're also NEX sets. So, I'm going to head back to the Lego section. So, here's another look at the Lego section again. So, I am going to go and feel those packets and pick up some stuff I need for school. So, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.